using my skillet. I have 2 palm-sized tomatoes, 3 or 4 shiitake mushrooms cut, 1 onion. And I decided to make the flour tortillas using the Nisson flour tortilla, super soft. It's a 10-count bag. You get 0 grams of fat, no cholesterol. It's a 1-pound bag. Oh, these are really good. I love these. And then the cheese will be dairy-free. Cheese-Daiya, I think I'm pronouncing it right. Cheese-Daiya. It's a dairy-free cheddar style shreds. 0 grams, 0 milligrams, 0 gram, 90 calories. And cutting out dairy has been a big challenge, but I mastered it. I no longer use dairy. Now these are the finished product of the tortillas. I have them on the plate, ready to eat.